Day one in Taiwan. Good morning.
It's already 7 o'clock in the morning. 17 Celsius. Babe, morning babe.
Good morning. Check.
Fit check daw.
So it's officially our day one here in Taiwan. And nangita mi og kananan kung asa mamahaw cause kay puno gyud mong itinerary for 8 days. So ang luyo is sarado pa siya kay mostly mga 11 pa mag-open ng other stores. So diri lang sa mi mamahaw. Yes.
This is a total of 170 NTD guys. Duha na kabok. Ham and egg. Scallion pancake. Let's go.
That's right.
Nita guys flaky siya guys. Alam mo yung sauce. Na siya ham. Nya malasahan ni mo gamay ang scallion seed. Recommended 7.5/10.
But now you're gone and all I have is
I'll rate this one same 7/10.
I still think about you. 'Cause baby yeah, I didn't forget you. Hey, no, I didn't forget you, baby. I know we drifted so far apart. And I know we both meant with a brand new start. I saw you walking and talking.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, guys.
And today for our first day, we'll go to
Ulay. So ang itinerary karon is going to Ulay and DIY na siya tanan.
going to Ulay guys. Masakay ra tag MRT from Ximen Station. Then sakay mo og Green Line going to Sindian Station. So ang Sindian Station is muna siya ang final station sa MRT dire.
Yeah.
So this is Sindian Station guys. So makita ninyo na yung mga bus. So dire going to Ulay guys, dire ta mga side. So dire dapita guys ang bus going to Ulay. So pangitahalan na ninyo ay kamot dira nga bus stop.
So galing yan nata diri nato ang sakyan nga bus is number 849.
Sa Ulay. Og ang akong kauban kay gikabuhi si Linda Foodie.
As a kabuhi one person, guys. My God.
Gikabuhi guys, kiwa do siya kaon.
Uy.
This is the river in Ulay.
Yes, it's so pretty. Look at that. Look at the
Oh,
river.
guys, oh.
I know I should leave, 'cause you're driving me mad. You burn like a fire. I'm so goddamn naive. I keep coming back, 'cause you're taking me higher. Higher than
Kaon ang gikabuhi.
Nakakaon na si Linda Foodie guys.
Nangita gyud pug rice.
Yeah, so ari na kita rami kananan diri sa may Ulay Old Street guys. So daghan kayong baligya diri, ang uban close pa.
now you're calling again. Sugarcoat everything, but it doesn't make
Nice kaayo diri sa Ulay. Tawa
Naanami
ninyo.
diri sa Lovers Bridge guys.
Lovers Bridge ang tawagan na?
Ako lang gitawag.
Because naman there is si Lane and Jay. Look at that. Look at the view, guys. Oh. Oh. Wow, it's so nice.
Wow.
Pretty kaayo.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. You were truly my lover, but it was over so fast.
So, padong na meron sa Hulay Log Cart.
Kailangan na to mo saka. Mga pila man siya ka steps.
Amot, murag dagan-dagan pa ni. Guys.
Mo na siya.
Di ba, gihangak na. First con pa gani. First
Halata
level.
kayo nga ko exercise ba?
I gotta love, love. I gotta love.
Sana may diri sa Hulay Log Cart, magpalit na lang yung ticket
Yeah.
para makasakay. So, daghang tao.
Cute kayo lang love card. Actually, ang daghang pong tao dire ginapilahan siya.
So, ticket window. Regular is 50, one way. So, we get the tickets, guys. So, a ticket is one way, 50 NTD. So, igbalik sad, guys. Palit sa tag ticket sa waterfall station. So, let's go.
Being real, 'cause I gotta love, love. I gotta love, love. I gotta love. I gotta love. Some people cruel, some people try to get by. If you don't have a reason, it's hard to make it all worthwhile. 'Cause what I've got surely makes the world go round.
Nakanaog na mi sa Hulay Log Cart.
Yeah, nice game experience.
Grabe guys, mura kag nag-roller coaster. Wa mo na-inform nga roller coaster din ni guys.
Ayaw mo if ever nga mo sakay mo log cart, ayaw mo palabig ano kay masabud sad mo ba kay grabe yung dagan.
Oh.
Kita na namo guys. See that?
Tudo.
See that guys? Behind sa poste. Ayun na lang, ilang ka maingon. See that guys? Muna ang waterfalls. Ito ang duulo. Ito ang adtuon. And we're so
Yes.
excited. So muna ang falls behind us. Papa kayo. Like, grabe kataas.
Ito yung mga true eh. See guys? Wow! Dutag birthday trip pa ni niya ay. Taiwan man.
Ano yan, hag?
Para makumpleto ang
Bye-bye.
birthday. Dapat na gift.
Minsan man akong gift.
Ha? Piyong. Piyong.
Sige ka na.
Piyong. Hindi, biraha.
Wow! Happy birthday to me!
Nami nakitaan diri nga spot. So, mura ni siya museum siguro nila. So, maod ang Hulay log cart ganina among sakyan kay kargahanan gid ni siya logs. Nga napadyo nindot nga view diri guys.
Benta dito sa Sagad Bay.
Wulay Yunshan Resort.
Yan, yung kailangan siya na mo steps.
Saka na sa
Saka. Kailangan siya na mo saka o pila ka steps gani guys padong dito sa ibabaw.
Guys, kayo sakay taog cable car.
Yes. Ang ka eh. Kita nyo yan guys, nga nakatasa mong tas.
Ang Yunshan Resort entrance.
Maybe it wasn't meant to be, just like in a dream. Maybe I'm starting to feel what true love can be.
So nanata karon diri sa Yunshan Resort.
And again, hangak ka kayo. Kailangan gyapon na to musaka.
Saka na sa hagdanan. Tara, stairs na pod. Let's go. Let's go guys. Diri sa Yunshan Resort guys, dagan kay activities, children's playground, bar, archery range, paintball shooting. Diri guys, pwede mo mag-boat, mag-paddle boat. So 120 NTD per person guys for 20 minutes.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good in bed, I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changed.
So guys, suman na mi sa amo ang pag-paddle-paddle guys.
Yes, and it was an amazing experience guys. Kaya mura kag nasa ki-drama gani like paddle-paddle, niya daga kay ko yan nindot sigid pud og view. Kaya nang nice kay siya guys and kanitanan nga mo ang activities today nga gibuhat is nabook gyud naman siya tanan sa Klook. And you can also use my code that's Lane23 Klook so you can get up to 5% discount sa mga activities and hotels as long as available sa Klook magamit yun na ninyo tanan. Okay,
Yes,
kana nga code. This is our second night here in Taiwan and karon manihapon na sa ta guys. So every night diri no gid siya like higit ang weather diri matag gabi. So ngita tag kananan nga na rice kay mingon og rice by.
So guys, padong na mi sa Tiantianli guys. So famous for their Luru Fun. Luru Fun day guys is a braised pork with rice. Braised pork. So guys, close day ang Tiantianli karon guys. Unfortunately guys, close day karon. So we'll try the other side.
Walang tofu, dako kayo no? And then na may free sabaw.
Guys, we're done eating sa Wanyan Pork Store.
Yeah, busog much.
Busog kaayo.
So that's it for now and we'll see you on our next one.
Next one.
Bye. Enjoy. Amping!